Raymond, Lili, can you please put aside the 6170? This is my store. This is my desk. This is all my rabbis. This side is my family, my little family. I sell ladies wear, wholesale only. ¿Cómo estás?
Yeah, my mom is the epitome of the American dream.
¿Cuántos años vienes conmigo?
Uy, yo creo que como 20.
20 years she's a customer.
She's a fine artist regarding bringing home the bacon. That's what she does. And so, yeah, you know, the neighborhood loves her. She's been there forever.
You see how lucky I am? He's the guy that I dance with.
Yeah, she's just like a downtown garment district boss.
Listen, I'm surrounded with the cream of the crop.
My mom's Lili Hayes. She's my best buddy. And she's fucking completely nuts. She's nuts.
Crazy lunatic. This is Lili Hayes, all right.
My name is Kevin Hayes. I'm a content creator. And I torment my mom professionally.
What the hell are you doing? I'm watching the program!
She's the funniest. She's the funniest person I've ever come across in my life. And I've known her for 34 years and I'm still not immune.
What the hell is this Chocoman? Chocoman is food or something?
But then also I just insert her in like silly realities that I create. But all of it has to do with pop culture. Do you have any idea who you are?
Chapula. Somebody farting about the tree. Nacho! Claudia Schiffer. Shrimps!
Did you just say shrimp?
To me, he's an artist.
Wait.
I don't give, what is his
Thank
name?
you.
The guy with the cans, Andrew Groffan. You are better than him. What was this movie, she asked, with this guy?
Dude, Gummo.
Ah, Gumbo, okay.
Like she's always lost on how much people like her. And I think that it comes off so like beautiful. Just watching her kind of interact with people has just been the best thing ever.
Okay, guys, I'm here. Ask me some questions.
We do Q&As quite often, and we're about to do a Q&A. I love you so much. What country are you from?
Okay.
I can't place your accent.
Number 1, I love you too, and more. Number 3, born in Yugoslavia, raised in Israel, live in United States of America, and I love every minute of it. God bless America.
I've only wanted to work with my mom my whole life, always. It's the best feeling in the world to just kind of like be her partner.
You want to play games?
Want to play rough? Today, I'm dressing her up as Scarface. I feel like the role that she's been born to play. I mean, obviously besides like the drugs and like craziness, as like a business person, that's my mom. I mean, she relates to Scarface.
Now I look like him. You want to play rough?
She's very good with like the gangster types. And Scarface is the most lovable loose cannon, just like my mom. This is so bootleg, oh my God. I tend to try to make it as close to the movie as possible or like the moment in like pop culture as possible, but I'm always like 80-20 bloopers to real.
Saca la bolsita!
Mom, this guy's gonna try to come kill you.
Okay.
Don't ever let perfection get in the way of good enough. 100%. If you're not putting things out in the world, you're fucking hurting, period. Okay. You're coming at me, okay? So you're not shooting yet?
You better bring an army, you scumbag.
Like when I see my mom lose herself, that's when we've arrived.
You come to fuck with me! There with you! You are a piece of shit! Macaron que sos perro de la basura!
What makes her funny is the fact that she sucks, you know? And I don't mean that in the most loving way in the world, you know? Like, I'm not trying to like rip on her in that regard. She's just good at being bad as an actress.
Come pick me up, you asshole!
I was waiting. I was wondering how long you would be there for. I was dying, oh my God. Okay, you good?
I'm good, man.
Okay.
Pick me up. Okay, guys. I had fun when I'm doing it, but then when I see what he does and he breaks it like 1 minute,
breaks it is editing.
And I said, oh my God, we did it? He did it.
No, but again, it's like, even if I did this with someone that was like my age, it wouldn't be the thing. Like, this thing has to do with her. Like, I couldn't do this with anyone else.
When he's laughing, I know that's it. I nailed it. And when he tell me I nailed it, okay, let's leave, you know. I have other things to do. I didn't know the course.
I think that first and foremost, she's kind of just like trying to make me happy. And then I think that like a byproduct of making me happy, she tends to make people happy, which is just the best win-win I could ever ask for. That's gonna be good.
What the hell is Adobe?
That's them, Mom. But no, yes, that's what the company. The company I edit, the thing that I edit with, the program, the videos.
No.
That's them. That's their
All
thing.
the videos that we did?
All the things that I do to cut up the videos.
Yeah.
It's their product.
Uh-huh. I thought Adobe is something that you smoke. What do you mean? Adobe is dope?
Adobe?
Adobe? I thought it's the people from the weed, they wanted me.
For real?
But if they want me to do a commercial for lotion, blah, 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 they pay me.
CBD.
I'll do a commercial with the devil.